This water's nice. Hooray, our cup is almost full. Where are you, Watermelon? Well, Mr. Watermelon, your time has come. Congratulations, Mr. Watermelon. You are a great swimmer.
Sammy, is everything okay? What's going on?
It was an experiment, and now it's successfully finished.
So what were you checking here, Sammy?
Whether a watermelon floats or sinks, and can you imagine? It didn't sink. Yeah, I'm a genius.
Sammy, if you're so into watermelons, I'll show you several fun ideas that don't involve flooding our apartment.
Really? I can't wait to try all your watermelon ideas.
Wait, Mr. Great Scientist, we should clean the floor first.
Okay, Susie.
Hey guys, today we'll show you several cool watermelon ideas. Let's get going. First, cut the top of the watermelon off. Be careful with sharp objects. Or ask an adult to help you.
Call Sam, guys.
Yeah.
Wow, chips! Are we going to eat them?
Sammy, eating watermelon and chips together is not the best idea, though they do eat watermelon with salty cheese in some countries.
What? Cheese? You know I don't eat cheese even in chips.
Don't you worry, those were chips, and now it's just a can. We'll need it to make watermelon chips. You have to place the opening into the watermelon pulp, and then carefully press the can in.
Guys, I think Sue just ruined the watermelon. It was probably delicious.
Ta-da! Now all we need to do is slice it. There. Very easy. Smells delicious. Awesome!
Wow, it's so cool!
Wait, I want a slice too. I'll go get a plate.
I'll be here. I won't go anywhere. Oh.
Sammy!
Sorry, Susie.
Sam, can you please bring a coin from the piggy bank? We'll need it for our next experiment.
Here you go.
Thank you, Sammy. Well, guys, heads or tails? And we're about to see.
Guys, don't you think that Sue's being weird?
I was just practicing my acting skills, and now look what we've got here.
Shiver me cheddars, I have the sharpest coin in the world.
As any other coin in the world. Well, shall we crack our watermelon open?
Let's go! Sue, I didn't even think you could do that. It was awesome.
Thank you, Sammy.
Guys, you want to see more tricks and new videos? And give this video lots of likes. I'm watching you.
I'll show you one more trick with this watermelon. For starters, we need to get all the pulp out. Sammy, you'll burst!
Looks like a bowl.
Uh-huh. We'll need 100 grams of red gummy bears.
Oh, my precious.
1.5 liters of drinking water. Now we'll turn the stove on carefully.
Susie, what's going on?
Just you wait, Sammy. I'm sure you'll like it.
Okay, then.
And done. Now we'll pour it into our watermelon.
Smells so good, Susie.
And we'll put it in the fridge.
I can't wait to see it. In the meantime, guys, comment and tell me which of our watermelon ideas you like best.
Look, Sammy, we made a real watermelon jelly! Guys, be very careful with sharp objects. Sammy, this is amazing, isn't it? Woo! Guys, I'd love to treat you too. It's fabulous! By the way, does this jelly remind you of anyone?
I love jelly!
Guys, we saved our most interesting trick for the very end. Make sure you have your watermelon sitting on a table this way, where it doesn't tumble over. This is going to be a real watermelon eruption. We need to cut a small slice of watermelon like this. We'll remove our little tail. And ice cream scoop will make things easier. And now let's take some pulp out to make a hole. Have a little more patience. By the way, where did Sam go? 4 mints should be enough. All we need to do now is pour some soda in. Be sure not to pour too much. Sammy, that was very realistic. Is that why you were away for so long? Guys, I think Sam wants to know whether you liked his show. Give this video lots of likes to make our Sammy happy. Oh, I think I hear a lot of likes.
You loved it that much, huh? Ah, thank you. I'm so happy.
We changed the shape of the hole a little for our next hack. Sammy, you're on.
I'm ready, Susie. Okay, let's mash it a little. Mischievous Sam in action. Voila! Now we have delicious watermelon juice. Only it's not too convenient to pour it.
Good job, Sammy. I know what we should do. We'll just put a water dispenser into the watermelon.
Hail the great Tibidaba!
There. It fits perfectly. Sam, hurry up and get glasses.
Ready.
Wow, thank you. And…
Sue, could you fill my glass, please?
Sure, Sammy.
Awesome! Oh, delicious.
Yes, Sammy.
Oh, too much watermelon.
Sam, you shouldn't have eaten that much.
Let's come up with ideas for another kind of fruit next time. I think I've had enough of watermelon for a year.
Guys, comment and tell us what kind of fruit you'd like to see in our videos. We'll be sure to read it.
I'm feeling better now. Subscribe to our channel, guys, not to miss the next video. Bye-bye!
See you later!